new application in town where you can just simply download from a Play Store. This is an fully new application where there is an only K downloads in just getting this app. I have just researching and I have shown this app and just making video. I have just installed this app and I will just first time opening this app. So I have also new in this app. How this app works, I don't know. How we are just getting rewards, I don't know. I have no idea of this application. So I'm just starting here, and I have just simply login in this app. I have just continue with Google and getting this interface, and here is an daily bonus check, and there is an claim button. I'll just click in claim. How this app works, I don't know. Just I have getting received 5 XRP, and here is an earning area where we can just view ads, games, short links, and tasks, faucets, watch video, bonus codes, and there is a time well section also. In my YouTube channel, my time well video was very successful in my YouTube channel. So just you can just video and you're just getting idea how you can withdraw time from time well into those types of accounts. So you can just watch that video and you can just withdrawing your points in those types of survey app or a website. So I have tried this view ads section, and here is an 30-second ads. We can receive 20 coins. So I am simply click on this ad and I watch for 30 seconds, and I will come just claim button, and here is an successful of and I just click on claim. Okay, I have received in 20 coins. Okay, and this is how you can just watch ads and getting those points. Okay, I have getting back and home section, and I will try this game section. Another game, you just simply play game and getting some points you can see. We have okay, click on alien, and there is an like Candy Crush game. I see. Okay, this is like you have to doing that. You have 3 in a row, or yeah, this is 1 2 3 4. If there is 2, then the 1 or 2, then they are not deleting. Just okay, I am just completing level. I'm just getting 3 coins and just claim it. And here is an captcha, ADVISE. Okay, I just hit on claim. I have just okay, I have just claiming those points, and I am going back from here. And there is a short link section where you can just and click on short and click on those links, and you can just on those 25 of coin. Okay, this is the short link section. There is a tax section where you can just join their social media. Okay, join our social media. I just click on this view tax, and there is their Telegram channel, YouTube channels, Twitter handle, and Instagram handle. You have to share your username of those and you can just getting this 500 coins. Okay, I have doing later, and there is an this video, and I have shared in this video. In there I have just receiving 200 points from coins from here. Okay, I will just sharing this video, and this I will uploading this video and creating. I have just pasting my YouTube channel URL and I'm getting 2000 coin. I will uploading the proof of this 2000 coins in my Telegram channel. You have must join my Telegram channel and getting some excited rewards or free earning from my Telegram channel. So here is an there is an daily task where you can just complete 5 offer walls offers and getting 100. There is an point you can just earn some points and you can just I have there is an another section where you can faucet. Here you can just click on faucet and you can just claim those faucet. Okay, there is an claim reward section. I'll just click on I am not a human, and there is an board feet where like the hen. I think this is the hen photo leg. I have just guessing right. NABLE the captcha, then claim on reward. Yes, I have getting five coins from this faucet. You can just claim those faucet in every 4 minutes. Okay, and this is an faucet section. There is an watch section. You can just there is an watch section where you can just mm, watch video and getting 20 points. Just I am the play video. Click on play video and what is there is 22-second video. You can just watch this video and getting 20 points sure and claim. Click on claim. Okay, I have just getting 20 40 and 20 another coin, and there is an bonus reward section. Other those are very like betting section. You can just not I not prefer to join those in this section. You have just getting this offer wall game view ad short link tax and faucet and watch. You just get uh, in this section. You are just getting claiming those coins and just if you have enough to for withdrawal you can just click on withdrawal. Okay, there is many section and many option for withdrawing, and there is an bitcoin for ethereum tron. Those are in just on faucet. You can just getting those point those withdrawal on your faucet pay wallet. This is you can just creating those faucet pay wallet and just withdrawing from there. And there is an paypal and upi. If you are from india you can just use upi. If you are in other country you can just paypal, or there is an if you are in if you know airtime then you can just withdraw on airtime, or there is an tone also. This is an telegram currency. I'm just click on there and just paste minimum withdrawal is 30,000 in tone, and there is an okay if you are in withdrawing in AirTM, then you have just to withdraw 1 lakh points in AirTM. Okay, and if you have a UPI then you have just have 10,000 points for withdrawing. You have 100 for 1 rupees, and if you have in PayPal then you have just 50,000 points for withdrawing. And if you have those faucet wallets there is an 10,000 of minimum withdrawal fee, and yes there is also 10,000 of withdrawal fee in ethereum, and there is in bitcoin there is also 10,000 of withdrawal. Okay, and this is the withdrawal you can do. I have just getting this refer link from my section. You have just share these with your friends and family and getting some reward from their, if they are in earning from their earning. This is the full review of this application, or you can just simply download and just getting have there is many section for YouTube earning. This is an just new application for sure, so you can just join this application and get some passive income for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.